Did you know there's a brand new niche on YouTube Shorts that's racking up millions of views? These videos are super engaging and visually stunning, and at first glance, they seem like they take hours of animation work to pull off. But what if I told you there's now an AI tool that can create these animations for you in seconds? In this video, I'll walk you through how regular people are using this exact strategy to build channels that make full-time income, with one channel pulling in over $30,000, 0 cents a month. Step 1. Reverse engineer viral content. Let's start with the content strategy. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Instead, look at channels that already have multiple viral videos. One example is a channel called Geoglob Tales. They've nailed this format. Here's what you do. 1. Copy the link to one of their most viewed shorts. 2. Use a tool like Tactic to extract the script. 3. Take that script and paste it into ChatGPT. Now don't just say write a similar video. Instead, ask ChatGPT to analyze the style, tone, and structure. You want it to break down why the script works, what kind of hook it uses, how it delivers facts, and what keeps viewers watching. This step is gold because it trains ChatGPT to write your scripts in the same viral format. Step 2. Generate viral topics and script. Now that ChatGPT has learned the style, let's generate your video. Ask it something like, using the same writing style, give me 5 fascinating facts about US states that I can turn into a YouTube short. Why the US? Because most viral videos in this niche are about US states. And the reason is smart. American viewers have the highest ad rates. If you want to earn more per view, attract more US-based viewers. Next, choose your favorite 3 to 5 facts from ChatGPT's list. Then ask it to write a high-quality script using those exact facts, in the same tone as the viral channel you analyzed earlier. Now you've got a custom script tailored to your niche, style, and audience. Step 3. Create the voiceover. Let's bring your script to life with a voiceover. You don't even need to record your own voice. Just use 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators out there. Here's how. Sign up for a free account. Choose a voice with an American accent. Tip: voices with a yellow star are high-quality pro voices. Paste in your script and generate the voiceover. Preview it, make any changes, and regenerate if needed. Once you're happy with the result, download the file. Now you have your audio, it's time to make it visual. Step 4. Create stunning animations in seconds. And here's the part that used to be complicated, but not anymore. Most of these viral shorts use animated map visuals. It used to take hours in Adobe After Effects to create these, but now there's an AI tool called Hera that does it all with a prompt. Here's what you do. 1. Sign up for a Hera free account. 2. Look for the template called Map Animation 2 Countries. 3. Set the format to 9:16 for shorts. 4. Based on your script, enter a prompt like show the full US map. Then zoom in on Arizona and highlight it. Want to show Alaska next? Use a second prompt. Continue the animation. Zoom out of Arizona and into Alaska, highlighting it. Repeat this for every location mentioned in your script. Finish with zoom out to show the full US map again. This looped animation style keeps viewers watching and boosts your retention rate. Step 5. Edit and publish. Finally, time to put everything together. Use an editor like CapCut or any basic video editor to start a new 9:16 project. Import your voiceover and all animation clips. Align the visuals with the voiceover timeline. Cut out any long pauses. Add light background music or sound effects if you want. Once it looks good, export your video in 1080p, 60 FPS MP4 format, and you're done. Upload to YouTube Shorts, use a title like 3 Weird Facts About US States You Won't Believe, and watch the views roll in. This whole strategy from idea to animation can be done in just a couple of hours. And once you get the hang of it, you can post consistently and grow fast. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy content creation strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching.